Hello guys, how are you? My name is Satyendra Punya, and as you can easily see that my channel got a 23 subscriber. I'm very thankful to you that all. Look guys, now I'm just making content creation very easy, and look guys, my channel is providing you that a very good information which no institute will give you free, and I am just giving that my audience just gain I experience, okay? And also my channel is helping that you can improve your skill, you can improve your English day by day, because without English you can't even survive in India, okay? So yes, look guys, always be very careful when you just drive, okay? Today we will take a topic. Look guys, I am a bike rider, okay? I can ride any bike, but I can't ride a four wheel. But I really don't care because I have a very good friend. I mean, you know what, I am the luckiest one that I have a really good friend. I mean, even if I am today I'm going, they will get me a job, but now I really don't care about it because I really just want to improve my skill. And this year, I mean, 5 or 6 months okay left, so I'm just improving my skill and day by day growing. This is, I believe. So yes guys, always be very careful when you just ride, okay? Bike ride, any ride, always be very careful, because look, I did a work in a construction company, okay? The road, I mean this road, you are on the vehicle, you road don't have any idea what kind of material they use, what kind of infrastructure they use, what kind of people they are, okay? Look guys, if you are a bad person, okay, you will make society this very bad, okay? You will make this country very bad, you will make this, I mean, world very bad. But if you are a good person, only good person, look guys, one thing I'm telling you, I mean, people who actually believe that fraud, 400 BC, 3-5, lie, and corruption. I mean, if you really think this is the truth, if you really think that this is the truth, and if you really want to become rich, you have to do it. One thing I'm again telling you, just look at their family. Just look at their family once, okay? And look at the people when they die. Just look at the people when they die. You have no idea what kind of pain, what kind of suffering, what kind of feeling they have gone through, okay? What kind of mental state they have gone through. So if you really think that yes, this is the thing will work, okay? Yes, yeah, you think that you are a smart one, that you are doing this whole thing. I mean, you are when you construct the road and then you just do a lot of bad material and think that no one will notice, and you will get them a big amount of money, and then you will no. This karma is a recycle, okay? This karma is a chain, this karma is a recycle. Karma will always follow you. Karma is a bitch, okay? Just forget everything. I mean these, you know what the Newton said? Every action has the same reaction. People who are doing, thinking that they are going to a temple and they will worship there, and then their sin will wash. No. Don't worry. Again, I'm telling you, this karma is a cycle. This karma is a bitch. Okay? So always be aware what you are doing. Always think very carefully what you are doing, because otherwise you're gonna pay for it. And look, you're gonna pay for it twice, thrice, always. There is a no escape plan here, okay? There is a no escape plan here. You will get a payment here. Here, you will get a payment on the spot here. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, but you will get a payment. big amount of payment. You can't even think what kind of payment you will get, what kind of. So always just believe in truth, because truth will win. Truth will win. Anyhow, truth will win. Okay, so yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content for you. And look guys, heat wave is increasing day by day, so be very careful when you go to outside. Thank you very much.